Greetings, greetings, greetings. Welcome to my channel where every day, 5 o'clock Jamaica time, there is a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. So, let me ask you something. If you did have a choice between for the whole heap of work for God or for sit on him foot and learn from him, which one you would have picked? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God to talk to them in the Jamaican language, just click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you don't do it yet, go and go do it now. No, just click the subscribe button and the notification bell too. To make sure say you don't miss none of what I go on right here so 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, we are going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 10 from verse 38 to verse 42. When Jesus and his special follower them did a travel to Jerusalem, them walk through one district where one woman named Martha they live. When Martha see them, she take them in her house. Now, Martha did have one sister named Mary. From Jesus reach at the house, Mary go sit on her foot and no move. She sit down and listen all what him have to say. But Martha, she did a run round and do all what she need to do to make her guess them. All right. She go to Jesus and ask him, say, Lord, you know, see how my sister left me one to do all of the work. You know, care. Tell her if you come help me now. The Lord answer say, Martha, Martha, you bother yourself about the whole heap of sitting. But a only one sitting, you feel bother yourself about. Mary make up her mind to pick that one day, and nobody nah go tap her. And God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.